This, but we're still worth it. I'll praise you, you deserve it. Yeshua, you're so worth it. Your goodness is faithful. I'm grateful, I'm grateful. It might be easier to stay quiet about you, but nah. God, you are so good. You're so, so good. God, you are so good. You're so, so good. Things might look bad, but I know you're still good. You always show up like I knew.
Welcome to the Bunch Family channel. Well, I'm back with another video with my daughter. Say what's up, Marissa. Look how beautiful my baby is. So fine. So anyways, well, we're about to, sorry about my mess, but we're about to try something amazing. It's from the Jones special release drink. This is so good. The Jones cane soda. It's cream soda, and this soda is off the chain. So I'm about to try, actually this is the cream. So I want to get a reaction from this one. It's called Hatch Chili Lime. So it's supposed to have chili in it. I don't know how it tastes, guys, so I want to try it with you. She's tripping right now. Yeah.
So we're about to try the best soda ever. All right, guys, are you ready? Yo, you guys gotta hit this brand up. These sodas. The only one I tried was cream. Yeah, you could try it. Cream, cane sugar. It has cane sugar. I love it. I get it every. She's tripping. Are you okay? All right, so we're about to try it. What? Yeah.
Mom, this mom cracking me up, bro. Okay, keep going.
Okay, so here we go, guys. You ready? We're about to try the best soda ever in the whole wide world. My reaction the first time trying this one. So let me open it up. Ooh, wow, guys, it smells just like chili.
Let me smell. You don't got money. You don't see.
Yo, that's incredible. It tastes like,
What is that?
it tastes like chili. I mean, it smells like chili. Look, smell it.
What is that? Let me smell again.
Hatch chili
It
lime.
smells like just like chili.
That's weird. All right, here we go,
Mom,
guys.
tell me I can don't drink that.
Stop.
Don't.
Why?
I'm putting it down. It stinks. Oh. What does it taste like? That smells disgusting. Why are you gonna drink that? She's enjoying it.
It's really good, guys. Not as good as the cane sugar one. It tastes like a little bit of chili. Let me look at the camera. I always look. It tastes like a little bit of chili with some lime in it, and not too sweet. Definitely not too sweet.
Not too sweet.
No.
Mom, there's no sweetness to it. It tastes disgusting.
There is sweetness to it. It has sugar in it, 25 grams.
Let me try this.
All right, now we're just gonna try it, guys. It's so good. What?
Don't ever give me. Don't get.
Okay, she doesn't like it. She doesn't like it, guys.
Ever again.
All right, comment down below and tell me what you think of our reaction of this amazing Jones soda.
Don't post that.
And give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so we can start.
Yes.